The most crucial part of an attenuator truck is the attenuator itself. Maintaining the attenuator is an extremely important part of your weekly truck maintenance. Make sure you have room to fully deploy and stow your attenuator. In order to access all grease fittings, you will have to change the position of the attenuator. As far as grease goes, EP2 is preferred, but EP1 will work as well.
The Scorpion 1 TL3 has 18 grease fittings, while the Scorpion 2 TL3 MASH approved unit has 24 grease fittings. These grease fittings are located on casters, pins, hinges, and the lockout arm, which is located between the strut and cartridge section on a Scorpion. The blade attenuator has 9 grease fittings, which are located on jacks, pins, and cylinders. These fittings can be accessed from the deployed position.
Maintenance of the attenuator is just as important as maintenance under the hood of your truck. Without proper maintenance, your attenuator will cost you more time and money to keep it working properly. Keep your attenuator truck maintained and keep the workers in front of your truck safe.